So this is Bitsy and Abel's new little litter of cutie pies. So here's Bitsy and Abel helping Miss Jessie change the ribbons. Something new has been added to the box and we gotta check it all out. They're all about it. Every bit. You eating, Miss Jessie? You're awful little to be eating, Miss Jessie.
That's a little too loose. Oh, stinkers, stinkers, stinkers. Tinkers.
Just so helping.
We're done.
So that
Okay.
orange
There
girl
we go.
climbing up in your lap.
Yes.
They can get on the box.
Girl.
So that they can get on the box. So there's a
Is
little
that okay?
black orange ribbon girl. She's pretty cute. And tail wagging constantly. Super cute little girl. And then we've got another little black girl down there somewhere. I think she's silver ribbon.
Yes.
And she's a little bit more wavy, curly-ish, but she's not curly. Very cute. Let's see her face.
Yes, look at
Where's your face? Look at you. There you are. Gotta stay in the picture. All right, and then we have the little red apricot girl. And she is pink. Little pinky ribbon. She is curly and cute as a button. Hi, baby. Look at that tail go. Look at that little tail go, princess. What you doing? And the rest of these smiling faces are boys. All kinds of them. We hope to get individual pictures on the website pretty quickly. Which one is he?
I wish I knew.
Huh?
I wish I knew.
Oh, we don't have his ribbon on.
Nope.
We're working on the ribbons. Alrighty.
But he's cute.
Yes.
Green boy.
Miss Jessie. She's got our little black boy that has the green ribbon. All of these guys, they can't stop their tail wagging. They're just so happy. Happy, happy, happy. What a cutie pie, huh? So these again are Bitsy and Abel's little boys. So now she's got our little apricot boy who's kind of a borderline curly. He's not really completely curly. And he is royal blue ribbon. And he's a pretty happy boy too with that tail go. Look at that little tail going. What a sweetie pie. That's a good boy. And then we have Flame Ribbon Boy. He's very soft coated and very cute. Got that tail going. He has a wavy coat. Beautiful little guy. Nice little square bodies on this whole litter. Everybody's got a nice conformation. We did him. So let's see. Who's left? Someone's hiding. Whoa. That's the little light blue boy. So he is a teddy bear. Tip his head. Tip him up so we can see. There's your little face.
Go.
Hi, Bucky. Oh, there I am. Well, there I am. Such a cutie pie. So when you hear people talking about a teddy bear Australian Labradoodle, this is what they're talking about. Little teddy bear, miniature Australian with the cutie little black face, black nose, dark eyes. Cute, cute. Light blue boy.
Adorable.
Hi.
Okay.
What's you looking at? What's you looking at, huh? Well, it could be
I
it.
am not your jungle
They're
gym.
all about Miss Jessie.
Not your
Every
jungle
single
gym.
one wants to play with Miss Jessie. Well, of course you must be their Jungle
I
Jam.
must be, right? I missed the memo.
All right.